Okay, today we're going to do something very simple. We're finding the average. Okay, if you have a set of numbers, let's say the numbers are 3, 5, 10, and 11. Here's how you find their average. And the average means the basic number that represents the whole set of numbers, right? So what's the average? Let's say these are dollars, right? These are dollars earned per day. So each day, so day 1, Monday, you got $3. Day 2, Tuesday, you got 5. Wednesday, 10. And then on Thursday, you got $11. How much money on average did you make each day according to this numbers? So here's how you do it. You simply add the numbers. So 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 11. So step 1 is add all numbers. So 3 plus 5 is 8. 10 and 11 is 21. 21 plus 8 would be 29. And then your second step is to divide that number, also known as the sum, right, by the way I like to say it is how many numbers you had, right? So what I mean is how many numbers did you have? You had 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Divide by the events is what we call them, right? Events or items. And how many events or items do we have? Well, we had 4. We had day 1 event, day 2 event, day 3 event, day 4 event. So what we would do is we would do 29 divided by 4, or 29 over 4 is usually how they do it. And so you say, how many times is 4 going to 29? I think that's 7 times. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 4 is 28. 29 minus 28 is what, 1? Right? So you would get roughly, and if you wanted to add a 0, you could, a decimal. Drop the 10, 4 into 10 goes, twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Oh, it's going to keep repeating. That's not good. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. Oh, no, it doesn't. Stop right there. 5 times 4 is 20. There you go. 0. So the average, and that's it. The average of these numbers is $7.25. What does this mean? That means over this week, each day, you earned about $7.25 every day, on average. That's what that means. Let's try one more. Let's say the average height in a classroom. So in Mr. Thomas's classroom, the heights are 6 foot, 5'3", I don't know, 4'8", yeah, that's 6'8", and 5'5", and 5'10". What is the average height in Mr. Thomas's room? Well, step 1, you just add everything, right? Add. So let's organize these numbers a little bit. Let's go 6 plus 5.3. That's going to be, let's do this one at a time, plus 4.8, plus 6.8, plus 5.5, plus 5.10. All right, I'm going to rearrange some of these numbers to make it easier. I'm going to say we're going to add the 5.5 and oh, there we go, that's nice. 5.5 and the 5.10 together first. 5.5 and 5.10. That's going to be 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 10.6. 0. That's done with that. Let's do next the 5.3 and the 4.8. 5.3, 4.8. 8 and 3 is 11, right? 10, 11. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is 10.1. That's clean. Oops. 10.1. And then let's do 6 plus 6.8, 6.0 plus 6.8. That's 8. 6 plus 6, 12. So 6 and 6.8 gives us 12.8. Then we can do 10 plus 10.1 plus 10.60, 0, 1 plus 6 is 7, 10 plus 10 is 20, so that's 20.7 plus 12.8, and that's going to be 20.7 plus 12.8, 8 and 7 is 15, decimal down, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, it's going to be 33.50. Okay, so that's it, right? So we got all our numbers added up. So we added. Second step, divide by the number, or divide by the items. Divide by the items. How many items or people did we have in this group? So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 items in this group, or 6 people in this group. So 33.50 over 6 is the same as 33.56 divided by 6. 6 goes into 33 5 times. 5 times 6 being 30. 30 minus 3 being 3.5. Oh, let's put a decimal up here. 6 does not go into 3.5, but it does go into 35. It goes in, again, 5 times. 5 times 6 being 30. Minus 5, drop the 6. 6 goes into 56. Was it 54 times, I think, right? 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 56 minus 54 is 2. Add a 0, go down. 6 into 20. Okay, I think we can stop there. 6 goes into 20 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. It's going to keep doing that for a while. So the average is about 5.593 feet. Let's round that to the nearest tenth. Here's the 10th spot. That's 5.6 inches, right? So 5 feet, 6 inches is the average height.